Did you know that poor nutrition is a leading cause of chronic diseases, accounting for nearly half of all deaths worldwide? Yes, that's right. Half. It's a shocking statistic, isn't it? And it's one that underlines the gravity of the situation. We often underestimate the power of what goes onto our plates and into our bodies. Every bite we take can either fortify our health or foster disease. Nutrition is not just about weight management. It's about fueling our bodies with the right kind of energy. It's about providing the vital nutrients necessary for our bodies to function optimally. It's about enhancing our immune systems, boosting our cognitive abilities, and improving our overall well-being. Maintaining a balanced diet is not just a choice, it's a necessity. It's the key to leading a healthy, vibrant life. It's the best defense against the unseen danger that is poor nutrition. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. By understanding nutrition and implementing some simple changes, you can take control of your health. Imagine a world where you could fight off diseases, feel more energized, and live a longer, healthier life. Well, that world exists, and it all starts with what's on your plate. Nutrition, friends, is a powerful tool. It's the fuel that keeps our bodies running, the building blocks that help us grow, and the defense system that protects us from diseases. But just like a car, we can't expect our bodies to run smoothly if we're not giving it the right kind of fuel. Let's take a second to picture something. Imagine you're a master builder tasked with constructing a skyscraper, but instead of steel and concrete, you're given only straw and mud. No matter how skilled you are, that skyscraper isn't going to be very sturdy, is it? That's how our bodies feel when we feed them junk food instead of nutrient-rich foods. Different nutrients play different roles in our bodies. Proteins, for instance, are like the bricks of our skyscraper. They help build and repair tissues. Carbohydrates are our primary source of energy, like the electricity running through the building. Fats, despite their bad reputation, are essential for absorbing certain vitamins and protecting our organs. Think of them as the insulation in our skyscraper. And vitamins and minerals? They're like the little workers that keep everything running smoothly, from our immune system to our heart rate. Now let's talk about the foods that can contribute to health and longevity. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can provide us with the nutrients we need. But it's not just about what we eat, it's also about how much and when. Overeating even healthy foods can lead to weight gain and other health problems. And eating large meals late at night can disrupt our sleep and digestion. So, nutrition is the key. But how can you unlock its potential? Keep watching to find out. Now that you understand the importance of nutrition, it's time to take action. Here are some simple tips that you can start implementing today. First and foremost, give your diet a fruit and vegetable boost. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fibers, all vital for your well-being. Aim to incorporate at least 5 servings of these nutrient-dense foods into your meals every day. They're not only healthy but deliciously versatile, offering a rainbow of flavors to enjoy. Secondly, don't underestimate the power of hydration. Water is essential for virtually every body function, including digestion, absorption, circulation, and maintenance of body temperature. Aim to drink around 8 glasses of water every day, more if you're active or live in a hot climate. Remember, if you're thirsty, you're already dehydrated, so make water your go-to beverage. Thirdly, let's talk about processed foods. They might be convenient, but they're often loaded with unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium. These foods can lead to weight gain, high blood pressure, and other health problems. Instead, focus on eating whole foods. These are foods that are in their natural state, unaltered by any artificial additives. Think fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. And lastly, remember that balance is key. No single food can provide all the nutrients your body needs. It's important to eat a variety of foods to ensure you're getting a well-rounded intake of nutrients. So, mix it up. Try new foods, experiment with different recipes, and enjoy the wide range of flavors that healthy eating has to offer. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start incorporating these tips into your lifestyle and you'll be on your way to a healthier you. The power to transform your health is in your hands, or rather, on your plate. Embrace the wholesome power of nutrition. Start small, one meal at a time, and remember, consistency is key. It's not about sudden transformations, but gradual, sustained changes. Every step towards healthier eating habits is a victory, so don't wait. Begin implementing these nutrition tips right away. Remember, good health is a marathon, not a sprint. Start your journey towards better health today. Your body will thank you. As we wrap up today's video, We hope you're inspired and motivated to take control of your health through the power of nutrition. Remember that your journey is unique, and it's okay to take it at your own pace. Every meal is a new opportunity to nourish your body. With that said, we want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, take care of yourself and keep making those healthy choices. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next one.